Hey, I'm Rob Hendrix, and I want to show you guys how to use our Growler transfer system with the Hendrix keg. We came up with this idea because we had friends that would bring us growlers from out of town, and we knew they'd always go flat, so we wanted a way to put that into our keg to keep it fresh. So you first start by taking your tap off the keg, we've already got ours off, and taking your Growler transfer unit, which is just this piece of plastic, and putting it onto the keg. So you attach it with your tri-clamp, just like you take your tap on and off. Okay. Now before you start all this process, you need to have your keg and your growler in the fridge for a while so they both get cold. You know, beer doesn't like heat, so once they're the same temperature, you're ready to transfer. Now we got our transfer unit on, ready to go ahead and put it onto our growler. We got a brown ale here. Then you take your keg and just screw it on like a cap. Okay, once they're tight, let's go ahead and flip them over and let gravity transfer it. And now once your beer has gone ahead and transferred, just wrap a towel around it, stop any foam from spraying out, and take your tri-clamp off. This relieves the pressure. And go ahead and take your growler off. Now you're ready to put your tap back on. Stick your tap, turn it clockwise, lock it, secure the tap with the tri-clamp. Now we got our keg full of beer, we're ready for CO2. So we're going to take your 8 gram CO2 cartridge and put it in the back of the keg. First of all, go ahead and turn your regulator up, all the way out is off, so turn it on so we know when we make a good seal the cartridge is cracked. Thread it in and watch your pressure gauge. Once the dial starts to move, you cracked it. There you go. Okay. Now we're ready to pour some beer. The keg's just like a normal keg, and the first one is going to pour foamy. So the best thing you can do is just turn your regulator down to about 2 psi until you get everything filled up. And kind of adjust it once you start pouring. You turn up your pressure.